welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. And Marcia is talking about something that we take for granted sometimes in our lives. And, she's talking about relatives and, how sometimes we have the opportunity basically to see them go off or for the last time as they have passed and we do not show up because we're thinking about we have to make this money that we're making not going to see them go off or on their last or final destination. And she said that basically that we sometimes we have to make a sacrifice, when it comes to our family members and do what we're supposed to do as members of a family. And you guys gonna have to go ahead and catch the video to hear what Marcia has to say about this. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday, and I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, have yourselves a beautiful happy.
5 days me give somebody out of my paycheck, last in a weekend. 5 days me take off, Me go away Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday and come back Monday. 5 days paycheck that, 5 days. And no vacation me take a funeral me go. But me now go see my cousin again. Remember say me give a 5 days paycheck. How much money that? Plus hotel, me have to pay for hotel. Resort. Car rental. And plus when me give away. And plus when me shop. You know how much money that? Because guess what? Me now go put money over my cousin. I will not see him again. I will not see him again. He was very good to me. Every year me go to Jamaica. He all give me a piece of land. So, me now put money over that. When I look and I see how much money I said, no. I will not, money will come again. You can't put money over loved one. A lot of you depend work, how no one go. A lot of you have family member dead. And because of money, you have people who don't go. Sometimes you have to make sacrifice. Remember, you have a loved one. You not see the person ever again. Especially people who have an impact in our life. Like my cousin, when we got to Jamaica, there's not over the years, many, I can't count it. And always make sure say me truck back full up of coconut jelly, all kind of things. Half in property. And me bless him back too. I say, Curly, see piece of land right there, come take it, right there so. I feel. Because severe it and take it. If you call me mother auntie. Like, anybody me not go to Jamaica for? Cause me up a cousin and if some of them dead, me not go. Me send more money. But me not go. Cause they never create no impact in my life. It's only who have an impact in my life I will make the effort to go. But I have other relatives, if they did pass, I wouldn't go, but I would send the money. Go say, here, buy something. Because they never create no impact in my life. That's the way me I roll nowadays. If you see some of them not to come on social media and say hello to me. Them don't even wish me happy birthday. Some of them from Rome Barn, me never see them come on social media come like my page. Me never see them come tell me happy birthday or congratulations on WhatsApp. Never. Me see them part of people page. So if God forbid anything happen to them, me nah go assist them. And so me a roll. Who is with me, and them me a roll with. Just like if me if ever get married in the future again, it won't be no for people. It only will be people who have an impact in my life, who has been there for me. I don't care if a person a 90-year-old, or that somebody I want me down the aisle. Anybody that was there for me in my trials and tribulation, they will be the one who's standing right there in the altar with me. You think me I could go and pick up my pretty kid, my pretty niece, them and my pretty nephew, them for turn off it on bridesmaid and maid of honor? Not a bumbo clot. Anybody who was there for me when I was in my little situations, they will be the one who stand beside me when I take that vow. You think say me I can run come talk about how me just want to be a hot niece and hot nephew and hot friend beside me? No. Only the people who has been there for me when I was in trials and tribulation at point in my life will be a part of my day. They will be the one who stand right there. The one them who check up on me every day and make sure I'm all right. The one them I can count that, they will be the one standing right beside me. You think me I could run go put this a sister, yeah, this a brother, yeah, this a... No. Nope. The people who has been there for me and check up on me, Marcia, are you okay? Every day. Me and people who call me every day, no? Me have people who call me every day. Me have mother figure. Me might have my mother dead, but me have one mother figure lady, and anything me want, she give it to me. And anything me have to say, she me call and tell everything. Me not tell my friend nothing, you know. Them the people will stand right beside me. I hope she live long enough. I may live long enough to see me ever get married again. Because she'll be walking me right down the aisle. So me pray God's grant her life so she can walk me down the aisle. Yep. Even when we get married in the future. I don't care if she reach 100. Somebody have to wheel her down in a chair beside me. Me not ask you. So when nobody wasting the time. Me quite all right, people. Me support her. I'm stress-free. I don't have to worry about nothing for the time being. When me cross that bridge, I will cross it. I'm in a business when I want about me out there. When I could call me any name, any scam, anything when I want to call me, I have my proof. And as I make it clear, I ain't helping nobody on my page. Ever again. Nope. I used to have a little Wednesday, something you could have called in, nobody can get no help. I'm not sending no money to Jamaica, to no strangers, no phone cards, nothing. When me want to bless somebody, I come out here on my page and I bless somebody right here on my page. Even if I haters. Anybody answer a question, let them get it. I don't give a fuck who take the money. Once me come out and I said, I am blessing somebody today, answer these 2 questions. And me give them 2 questions. I don't care if I hate or not. And me say me I bless somebody. Once them I watch them is a Ross fan. Once they come over here can waste them 3, 4, 5 hours and watch me, they are a supporter. Then could have chat, then could have hate all they want to hate a little bit more. As long as them can come up at this Ross page here, come sit down and listen to me. They are a supporters of my page. Because if them can't take them time out every day, if you come over here, if you can listen to me chat for 3, 4, 2, 3 hour, 1 or 2 hour, them are not hater, them are supporter. Because if them are hater, they shouldn't cross no foot over here. So when me come and I say, I'm giving away $100, $200, and they answer the question, I don't care who answer the question. As long as the person get it right, who first answer, them get it. As long as me say, send me a cash app, and send me a Zelle and I Zelle it to you, that is it. I don't care who get it. Me want me enemy if they get it. So when they come over here and answer a question, they pretend to get the money, me want them come get it. Because I want them fit them conscience, for bother them. For take my money. Yes. So if them can't come over here and them haters and then can't answer a question and get the money, well, you know that already. I got me, I work with me, now I work with the devil. Uh-huh. So that is what I want to talk about this morning. Yes, people. I pay a hater out there. Any opportunity you want to take, any single woman out there, and if you're in a certain position, you live your life already, and you get an opportunity like mine, take it. And if you can put your things them in a storage, put them in a storage and go and stay with your client. Get somebody good to stay in your work. Where you know you can trust a little bit. If you can't trust. And if you see no trust in them, you just don't call them back and give them no work. And you make sure, say, you lay down the rules and regulations while you inquire and don't do too much talking with nobody who you hire to come and stay. The less conversation, don't talk about your business, don't talk about nothing. Just keep it workship only. No make no friends. You just talk about work and keep it moving. Don't form no relationship in the sense, let them do them job, you do your job, and you go about your business. You say you're coming back 8 o'clock, you try to come back 8 o'clock, make sure so you call, tell the person, I am going to be late. If a hour, you pay the somebody them hour. If you reach 8 and you reach 9, you pay the somebody the hour. You keep it like that and keep it moving. No conversation about your business. You know who nobody if you tell nobody where you are going. If you are going away, that is it. You make sure say you left everything clean, put away, and you make sure say when the person is leaving, are the same thing supposed to happen. You understand? If you know that the client, the client now wake up yet and you come back, you do the same thing. You make sure you're not supposed to come back and do no work because the person getting paid. When the person come a morning time, that is it. You go right through the door. You're supposed to have your stuff then pack and go on about your business. You're not supposed to linger. When you're coming back, you tell the person, say, listen, do this, call your cab, make sure you're ready so you know hold no conversation. You look around, you make sure say everything is clean and fine, you're going about the business. And a friendship thing, this is a money, this is a working thing. Yes. Oh, make sure. You make sure you keep it that way. Sit up. Sit up. No, sit up first. Yeah, drink like that. You're welcome. Yeah, that is it. No linger. The phone are dead. Keep it like that and keep it moving. You know, you come to work. Sometimes when you build friendship with people, it get out of hand. Keep it work related and keep moving. and keep your mouth shut with your business and relationship. Like me with it on social media, I have to be careful. So that is it. So you make sure you keep it just like that and keep it moving and help somebody out. If you depend on work and you know you can bless somebody with some days, take some time for yourself and go to the doctor. Go get your breasts done. Your mammogram may attack. Or go to your GYN, go get your teeth done. Don't stay upon it and look upon the money. Bless somebody. A lot of people out there suffering and can't pay their bills. Bless somebody. All see some of them come on social media call me. Me say them would have dead if you get a worker like me have. They are struggling their ass off. Me know how it is when I have to dip in my money when me save up. I never struggle, but you have a time come when you have to reach out and ask for something because you don't want to go into your emergency money. Because you know a few people have one little CD put away with something and you don't want to break it. And then you have to depend on your daily bread if you say sell some things and whatever money now coming like that. Then you know, so when it come in now, you take care of your priorities. But when God bless you with an opportunity, you have to look back into those things when people are there for you. And there's a lot of people out there on the paper. And people have paper. You know, the time will get tough with Donald Trump coming now. Some of them out there. Because let me tell you something. Out of airport change. As you come off of the plane at airport, there's about 7 officers waiting. You're not even tip off of the plane good. Before you could have even go through local passageway, there's police waiting. Checking your passport. Asking you where you're coming from, how long you staying, all kind of something. Me give them a passport, never ask me a question, and just hand it back to me. Me go through immigration, and look for me. Him not even ask me. Me just hand him passport. He never ask me how long me stay, nothing. He just give it back to me. God must have go straight through. Me go downstairs. By the time you go downstairs, when you take a suitcase, there's about 7 other officers waiting for you before you go through the big door. Taking passport again. Then did they look passport? Me just step past with mine. They never ask me nothing. They never tap me. So things change up now. They checking. So you hear me now, Donald Trump start already soon. One police officer laugh. Me said Donald Trump start already and he don't even get into the White House yet. The man a laugh. I said it. I got up and me said it. I said Donald Trump start already and don't even get to the White House yet. The man laugh. A whole heap of them there waiting. So you better make sure so no straight. So I don't know how them accost me, telling me I have nowhere to live. Then who could have want to live a better life than this? For a single woman. Then who know want opportunity like this? To live in an environment like this. Eh? Eh? Anyway, going out for down full of roach, full of rat, full of something happy. Then who no want a prestigious place like this to live? You don't even hear not even an ambulance run, not even a police, not even a little trash there on the ground, out the door. Then who no want to live like this? You hear me tell you? Me are the only black somebody. Me not ask you. And the people them love me. And when me say that, me talk about like me. And they ain't pretending. Them a call to me first before me call to them. I mean, I talk about them, me tell them I greet me. They want hear me talk about Jamaica. They want me talk about all kind of things. Them not stop compliments me with my color clothes. Them and me sitting in my fashion. Oh, Marcia looks so beautiful today. Oh my gosh, really. Don't even talk about when me go downstairs in my dashiki dress. I go find out if me can sell some things in the boutique down there. Cause them appear boringness in there, see if they can take a percent. And bring some of my sheet and my dashiki frock going there. And when me supposed to come meet with the supervisor today. The lady, when new lady, if you see to bring some sheets and some of the dashiki dress them when me wear. At that, I tell them say me I come volunteer to sing karaoke for them and on weekend time and bring like joy and happiness. She asked me how much I want. I said I will volunteer and see if them like me. And then you could give me $300. But me will do a little freeness for the time being. Who no luckier than me, who no can sit down and cuss me. Me not have to come on social media now. If I come on social media, I don't get no blogging. I'm going to take one break and come back in a February, people. If you don't see me, I'm going to take a break and come back because them are careless people, yeah. Want to run off with my contents and I make money in a chat.